In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color on Wix Editor. Whether you're refreshing your website's look or just experimenting with new design ideas, adjusting the background color can significantly impact your site's overall aesthetic. So let's dive right in. To start, open your Wix Editor and look over to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a variety of icons that allow you to customize different aspects of your site. What we're interested in today is the Site Design icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've opened the Site Design menu, you'll find a few options, but the one we're interested in is Page Background. Selecting this option will bring up the settings that allow you to alter what your page background looks like. Here, you will have a choice. You can either select a color or choose an image for your background. This is an excellent opportunity to get creative and set the tone for your website. Whether you decide to go with a solid color that complements your brand or an image that enhances your content's message, ensure it aligns with the theme and style of your website for the best cohesive look. However, a common issue that might arise is that not all your site's sections change with this update. You'll notice that some elements might retain their original look. This happens because these sections have their own individual background settings separate from the general page background. But don't worry, this can be easily fixed. To adjust these specific sections, simply click on the section in question. You'll see an option pop up that says Change Background. Click on that and a new menu will appear. Here you can set the section's background to None. By selecting None, you're effectively removing any preset background that is overriding your page settings. Once that's done, these sections will harmonize with the new design you've chosen for your entire page. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your site with a new background color or image in the Wix Editor and synchronized each section for a seamless look. Remember, choosing the right background can drastically change how visitors perceive your website. So take some time experimenting with different visuals that best represent your brand or message. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.